Ooh, that's a strong smell. What's going on, everybody? Hope you're having a wonderful day today. For today, I got a special unboxing for you guys today I'd like to share with you guys. After taking so many freaking L's on that Nike SNKRS app, I finally got a dub. It is the Jordan 4 Fire Red. Alright, let's not waste any more time. Let's get it going. So is it me or Jordan's been stepping up their packaging game? Just unwrapping it, it felt pretty good. It felt very nicely wrapped. I've not bought a pair of Jordans since maybe 2016 or 2017. It was the Jordan 4 Royalty. But here we got it. Oh man. 4s for days, man. Jordan 4s are the best Jordan retros of all time. Don't at me. You want to know why the 4s are the best? They're just perfect, or near perfect, at every angle. You can wear almost anything, it'll look good on you. So about the fitting on the shoes, I am on team wide-footed, and true to size fits perfectly on me. These came out great. This colorway hasn't came out since 2012, I believe. At that time, I was way too poor to afford them. I was still in high school. But the most notable difference from the 2012 to this pair, obviously, is the Nike Air in the back. I am not a material expert, but I do recall a lot of people saying in the 2012 pair, the material, especially the leather, on this colorway was very bad. But I can tell you right now that it's pretty soft. I forgot to mention that I got these on the Nike shock drop that happened on Tuesday morning. I got super lucky. I clicked on the Nike SNKRS app really quick once I saw that notification. It was all random. I was able to purchase it and we're right here. Let me know if you were able to do the same thing and get yourself a pair too during the shock drop release. But if not, don't worry, there's still another release coming up. The official release is on November 28th at 8 a.m. I'd love to hear your thoughts about what you think about these. Love them, hate them, pass, cop. Let me know down below. Thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next video.